Hey there, sports fans. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something exciting. How to add Sports Plus to your YouTube TV membership for 2025. If you're a fan of live sports and want even more channels and features, this add-on is a game changer. It's packed with exclusive content like additional NFL games, NBA highlights, and premium sports analysis that you won't want to miss. Let's get started with the step-by-step process, which is super straightforward and should only take a few minutes. First things first, make sure you're logged into your YouTube TV account on your preferred device, whether that's your TV, computer, or mobile app. Once you're in, head over to the Settings menu. You can find this by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner and selecting Settings from the drop-down. Now, navigate to the Add-ons or Membership section. This is where the magic happens. Look for the Sports Plus option. It might be listed under Available Add-ons or Upgrades. Click on it to see the details, including pricing and what's included. For 2025, Sports Plus is expected to cost around $10.99 per month, but double-check for any updates or promotions. If you're ready, hit the Add or Subscribe button. You'll be prompted to confirm your payment method, so ensure your details are up to date. Once that's done, YouTube TV will process your request, and Sports Plus should activate almost immediately. After adding it, take a moment to explore the new channels and features. You might need to restart your app or refresh the page to see the updates. Pro tip: if you run into any issues, check the help section in YouTube TV or contact their support team. They're usually quick to assist. And that's it. You've just enhanced your YouTube TV experience with Sports Plus for 2025. Now you can catch all the action without missing a beat. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.